ikibazo ni mwumva jya muri Google wandikemo agasobanuye films.com urebe yaje akora ino agarara hano kuri etage katorore twigarukire mu Bufaransa turacyari mu Burayi hano bahita Paris ku munara kuri Karuwaje turi Paris mu Bufaransa umwana w'umukobwa uriyo tambutse gutya waturutse imbere ye rero twamubonye muri babandi babana biswe ngo naba stagiaire do rebye inyuma ye runduriyo ibigabo bireba gutyo by'ibiribwe ibigabo byababaye umwana arahindukira do rubanza riyambura bamwise code name ni daga icyuma code name ni bugita arabara icyuma babe batarara si icyuma kobwa muto 10 be kuri cyuma kikihuta kurusha isasu do babe baga bangutse do jejeje cyuma kobwa kuri cyuma babe hari uwagisamye umugenzi we aragisamye sha turi mu ikipe imwe love urinde
I'm with Catalyst
banyita Catalyst do tabanzara na mutabara turi mu ikipe imwe
we should probably go
dufite kugenda n'abana bato bose bambu ababyeyi babona ba mama babajyana kubarera muri porogaramu yabatoje kuba imashini zica bebe do ni mashini zica zigenda jewe ngende imashini isobanura mpamvu mudakwiye kungiranya n'ababana hano mujya mukora amakosa ariko nimba umuruhera umujyi undi ribu yagiye bafatika bapima usiko njye mbona mufata izina rya Kimomo mukajya nk'ahantu mukandika ngari Kimomo ngo nabarunaka ibaze buri gihe mbabwira ko abanzi batangereranye abamenye batancudikanyaho urebe azana bimuragereranye indege nisho indege na Cotex tuvera tugaruke yakorimo barakwereka kuri FSB hamwe twatangiriye umukobwa ari kwica abakozi b'ikigo cy'ubutasi cy'abarusiya wahaje abarusiya bateranye bari gufotora imirambo yabo
we would never do this
bino bintu ntabwo twigeze tubikora
not to children
ku bana bacu babiri
self whatever lie
wibwira ibinyoma byose ushaka
comfortable
biri butume wumva utekanye agent Korikochevo
don't have the internship
ariko impamvu tutagifite icyitwa stage
our attempt
nuko twabigerageje bigapfa
are you being serious
kuko urakomeje muri seri
is serious
cyiteka mura ndi seri
our poor interns they lost their minds
twateragereje gukora porogaramu yari yiswe stage abastageri bacu kari bane babura ubwenge batakaza ubwenge kuko yari porogaramu ifata ibana ikabagira mashini yica hari igihe rero umuntu mutoza akabura ubwenge abana bane bacu twari twafashe twabagize abastageri ngo batakaje ubwenge
and kill themselves
baricana
and kill their handlers
ndetse bicana babayoboraga
we had to eradicate
iyo porogaramu twahise tuyihagarika
crop
ndetse abo twari twaratoje bose turabiyicira byapfiriye he
the program is destroyed
porogaramu yacu nk'abarusiya ya stage imaze guhagarara
we copied every detail
details zose twazanditsemo hano
the handwritten notes
harimo n'umukono nyirizina
himself
Brian nyirizina
don't interrupt
wica mu ijambo agent Korichenko
we did
ibyo twakoze byose
but not get it right
ntago byagenze neza
and where we felt the American
aho twananiriwe abanyamerika bo barahagurutse barabikora ibyari byatunaniye bivuze ngo abarusiya nabo bakoze wa mushinga niyo mpamvu mafashemo agapoze wo gufata abana bakiri batonya bakabatoza ngo bagire imashini zica abana birangira bicanye porogaramu yabo irapfa ni porogaramu yari yiswe stage ariko ngo umushinga abarusiya bananiye abanyamerika bo bahise bawubyutsa barawukora nabo bafata utwana duto badukoremo imashini zica abanyamerika bo barabishoboye
consequently
ingaruka rero zakurikiye
program has been
iyo porogaramu yongeye itangiye gukora nona
and my job
akazi kanjye
we cannot
akazi kawe rero karagira kati
program
nimba twebwe twarakoze abana b'abastageri porogaramu yacu ikanga
we should
tugomba gukora uko dushoboye nk'abarusiya
that the Americans don't have it either
n'abanyamerika iyo porogaramu ntibayigire niyo gahunda.
And how do I do it?
Ndabikora gute rero?
Use your imagination.
Koresha ibitekerezo byawe.
The intern
Umustajeri
is traveling.
waje akica abantu muri kino kigo cyacu cy'ubutasi ari kujya muri New York.
Are you sure?
Urabizi neza ko ari hari?
Right.
And we
Sean.
have an agent.
Ntaba agent dufite yose.
More.
Well, we have our
Umva,
sources
twe dufite aho dukura amakuru. Vlad
for orders.
witwa ngo ni Vlad niwe ukwiye kujya kureba akaguha amabwiriza. Jya kureba witwa Vlad muri Amerika New York. Tugaruke kuri Central Intelligence Agency Langley Virginia aho CIA ikorera. Nabo bahagurutse bafite ifoto ya wa mwana w'umukobwa. Umustajeri. Umugore w'injira.
Wanted to see me, sir?
Ngo mwashaka kumbona nyakubahwa.
Come on in.
Injira.
Dick Jones,
Witwa Dick Jones uramuzi.
Director of Operations.
Deputy Director of Operations.
Agent Dalton,
Agent Dalton.
you have a remarkable reputation.
Wa mugore ufite izina ryiza cyane n'ibigwi.
I like that.
Zo gukemura ibibazo byananiye abandi.
It's the reason why I'm about to put you right in the middle of
Niyo
one.
mpamvu ngo wamagaye ngo ngushyire mu yindi situation nyine yananiye abandi uyikemure.
Tell me, what have you heard about the...
Tubwire icyitwa internship wacyumvishe iki?
The basics.
Numvishe ibintu bike by'ibanze.
Was started by former director of operations.
Ngo iyi ni gahunda ya stage yari yatangijwe n'uwahoze ari director of operations hano muri CIA
Henry Byrne.
Henry Byrne.
The program was used to weaponize children.
Yari porogaramu yo gufata abana batonya tukabagira intwaro. Bya bindi nyine Amerika iri kuvuga ngo ibisirikare ngo byo muri Afurika bimwe na bimwe ngo bikoresha abana bataruzuza imyaka. CIA yari yaratangiye gahunda yo gufata abana bakiri bato bakabagira intwaro.
CIA.
Bikozwe na CIA.
And went rogue and
Kugeza igihe wari waratangije iyo internship ariwe Byrne
was abandoned.
yaje kwigomeka ku gihugu abivamo. Iyo porogaramu irarangira bitewe nuko wari wayitangije yapfuye.
And implemented their own version. They too had
Abarusiya nabo batangije ro porogaramu yabo.
eventually it was
Yabo
abandoned.
ntiyagenze neza.
Less than 48 hours
Mu
ago,
masaha 48 ashize
by the name of Rennie
umwe mu bastajeri bita Ren
James, codename Catalyst,
bakunze kwita ngo ni codename ya Catalyst
showed up at FS.
yagiye ku biro bya FSB muri Moscow
After an absolute shit
nyuma yo kwica abantu bari bariyo.
sensitive information
Catalyst yibye amakuru afatika.
to the location of the remaining interns.
What kind of leads?
Yakuyeyo amakuru ashobora kumugeza mu bandi bastajeri bandi.
The things,
Ijari ni
dark web email addresses.
yabandikiye kuri email twe tudashobora kuba twakwaccessinga.
Obviously,
And what happened?
Byagenze bite?
we never received a single report.
Nta yandi makuru turakira. Abastajeri twe twagerageje kubandikira ntibadusubiza.
Mark, after Burns' death,
Nyuma y'uko umuyobozi w'abapfuye abastajeri bose baburiwe irengero.
In the cold.
CIA irababura kandi ariyo yari yatangije iyo operasiyo.
Nobody's heard from them in all of these years.
Hashize imyaka nta muntu uzi abastajeri aho bari. Niba abana bato twabonye.
CIA psychiatrists have examined
Psychiatrist wa CIA yatubwiye ko uyu mukobwa akurikije ukuntu amureba
build a substitute family.
ashobora kuba ari guhuza bari abana bose bakuranye nawe mu cyitwa internship kugira ngo abahuze bamubere famiye atigeze agira.
You mean the one that was stolen from?
Oya cyamura avuga ahubwo famiye mwamwibye. Kuko ntago ari famiye atigeze agira ahubwo famiye mwamwambuye.
nobody likes what was done to these children.
Twese ntago twishimiye ibyakorewe aba bana.
Without any control. We have
Bano bana bari ku muhanda nta kuntu torori bafite.
to shut them down.
Tugomba kubahagarika burundu.
Ask why you want me for the...
None se ngiye mumpamagariye iki?
There are better people suited for
Hari
this.
abandi bagakoze kano kazi batari
The
njye.
others with more experience.
Hari ibindi byinshi dukeneye ku muntu ufite experience nk'iyawe.
This job, agent.
Niwe muntu ufite ubumenyi bwakora aka kazi.
Things you need to know.
Hari ibindi bintu birukwiye kumenya. Icyambere
We believe there's a Russian mole, codenamed Phantom.
turakeka ko ari umugambanyi wo mu Rusiya witwa codename yitwa ngo ni Phantom.
Second,
Cya kabiri
Rennie James,
Rene James ura mwana w'umukobwa wabonye
codenamed Catalyst,
wita ngo ni codename ya Catalyst.
is your daughter.
Ni umukobwa wawe wibyariye mama we. Urebe mukobwa wanjye uyu ni umugore ukorera CIA. Umwana we nawe bamushyize muri ya porogaramu ya internship. Tugaruka yitwa Peterson muri New Jersey. Ubundi New Jersey iri muri New York niho turi. Ukibaza ngo nabimenye nte narahageze. Bayita kiburi ya ndege. Ukomeza ukanga abantu ngo wagiye ahantu. Nabyo ntago bitwika. Bayita kiburi ya ndege. Yakurikiwe. Urebe filime. Ugeze hano wamukurikiye baramugonga. Warumukurikiye baramugonga. Uyavayo.
Come with me if you
Ngwino tujyane
live.
nimba ushaka kubaho.
Seriously?
Koko
I always wanted to say that.
nahoraga iteka nifuza kuzavuga iryo jambo. Ngwino tujyane nimba wifuza kubaho. ubwo n'abantu barebye filime yitwa Terminator Schwarzenegger nikabwira kakara aje kugatwara ati no ziteka nifuza iryo jambo kuzaribwira umuntu nanjye ngo ntwike injira tugende babandi byose babimenya bati binjira mu modoka berekere Arikano binjira hano bihuse cyane bahindura imodoka Rebe Washington DC ubundi ni muri Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika Aruriyo ari kwitekera hano ubutunga ngegera wa mugore wa CIA twabonye yaje kureba uno mugabo Hello
Hey
Bite
We
Nelson Janice
Hi.
baraziranye
Hi.
Bite
What brings you around here?
Niki kuzanye hano
I'm hungry and I heard you make a mean burger.
Yeah, I do.
Nenje kumva kukora agapolizo numva kamera ntaribi
It's not right about this picture.
ariko iyi shusho hari ikintu kidasa neza uburyo uri guteka kuba ndi guteka ntibisa
You
neza
know my story.
urabizi inkuru yanjye
Fired.
narirukanwe
No hearing.
nta kuburana
Pension.
nta pansiyo
No. Thank you for your service, Nelson.
banyirukanye muri CIA barambwira gusa ngo warakoze kubwo kuba warakoreye igihugu cyawe by Nelson
That's what happens when you knock your boss on his
niko bigenda ariko iyo ukubise boss wawe bakwirukana nta nimperekeza yakubise boss y'igipfunsi baramwirukana ni Nelson yahoze akora CIA
That's because Dick Jones is an asshole.
no kubera ko Dick Jones ari ikigori kinini mpamvu
Did
namukubise
you really picture yourself flipping burgers on a
wigeze wifotora se uri guteka
Probably not.
baga mu modoka
know what?
Ibaze, buri muntu ujya gukora muri CIA bafite ubumenyi buhambaye shaba ari umuntu urenze uhambaye ariko iyo bakwirukanye nyine bakora uko bashoboye ntugire n'ahandi ubona akazi ubwo uhita ujya guteka baga ku muhanda
Therapeutic.
ya Jano
You hungry?
urashonje we kamwe wumva ibyo neka se
alley.
sawa
I'm telling you.
ndakwiyungaho bari umuntu ufite ubumenyi bwinshi ku buryo atakaba yateka ku muhanda aba yarize neza afite ubwenge afite ubumenyi afite amakuru
Now.
yaje kwicara hano nawe urabyumva CIA igiye kurokirita nyine
Something wrong with that picture?
kuba narindi hariya se bitwaye ikimbwira
You ever think you could have handled it differently?
wigeze utekereza ko kubita boss yari kubikemura mu bundi buryo yego
Then I remember how much of an asshole Dick Jones is and know that I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
yemba numva boss wanjye kwera ukuntu ari ikigoryi n'ubu bungi bakansubiza mu kazi namukubita
Can't be bought.
shamenya utagurwa pe ni umugabo mbega udaca ku ruhande
It's a good burger.
iyi baga iraryoshye ndabizi
Keep eating.
komeza urye komeza urye
I need someone I can trust.
nyine umuntu nakwizera
Whoa.
oh
Sounds ominous.
It is. And I'm not really sure I can trust anybody in this world.
sinzi ko hari undi muntu nakwizera muri iyi si utari wowe
But somehow I trust you.
ariko weho mu buryo bumwe ndakwizeye
Right?
okay
And there's something I didn't tell you.
hari ikintu ntigeze nkubwira kera ni igiki utambwira
17,
mfite imyaka 17
way before you and
mbere yuko nkundana nawe tumenyana nari naratwite
I wasn't ready to be.
banteye inda niteguye kuba umubyeyi umwana ndamutanga baramwadobuta muri Ruferina nyuma nza guhura nawe turamenyana turakundana imyaka 17 bano bagore mumenyana mujye mukurikirana amakuru
And I just found out who.
ubu rero naje kumenya umukobwa wanjye nindi aramumwereka wa mukobwa twabonye w'umwicanyi yabyaye indwanyi
And I need your help
nkeneye ubufasha bwawe
before the Russians do.
ngo umenye umukobwa wanjye ahantu ari abarusiya bataramugeraho fasha mubona abarusiya bataramugeraho urebe tugaruke New York nito Odessa muri Brooklyn nari ngiye kugarura kiburiya ndege kuyigarura kiburiya ndege ariko reka nceceke urebe haruriyo ni wa murusiya bintu nugukabya rwose pe wa murusiya amaze kugera muri Amerika uyu bamwohereje ngo yice bari abana baba stajeri CIA itazongera ikabakoresha nimba umurusiya we gukore abastajeri be byarapfuye n'umunyamerika ntatunga abastajeri twese tubura iyo porogaramu kuko umunyamerika iyo hari ikintu agezeho kiri hejuru umurusiya biramubangamira baba babarana baterana imibare yaje muri misa kigera muri Amerika aza imbere ya padiri n'umupadiri w'umunyamerika.
Bless me, Father,
Mpumugisha padi
for I am about to sin.
kubera ko ngiye gukora icyaha. Abandi basaba imbabazi kubera ko bakoze icyaha, uyu waje gusaba ngo imbabazi kubera ko agiye gukora icyaha.
Then tell me you were
Ntabwo bari bambwiye kuri buze kuza. Kumbuye umupadiri nawe ni maneko w'Abarusiya.
finished with the KGB.
Nari nzi ko narangizanyije n'abana maneko z'Abarusiya mu cyitwa KGB.
Finished?
Urangiza?
You are never finished with this.
Izi gahunda tubamo z'ubutasi ntizijya zirangira.
Bano.
Wakabaye ubizi.
And we are FSB, not KGB.
Ubu twagarutse nka FSB, ntabwo tukiri KGB. Ikigo cy'ubutasi cyahoze cyitwa KGB cy'Abarusiya ubu cyitwa FSB.
What is the difference?
Itandukaniro ni irihe?
2 letters.
Ni inyuguti ebyiri. FS ntabwo ziri muri KGB, habamo BB ubwo kuri byombi. Biratandukanye, bitandukaniye ku nyuguti ebyiri.
We require
Urebe,
assistance.
twari dukeneye umusada wawe. Hari utuntu yamweretse hano.
Men,
Dukeneye abasore,
Weapon.
intwaro, imodoka, byose turabishaka.
May I ask?
Nakubaza ubikeneye ryari?
Today.
Uyu munsi.
This is extremely short.
Ko nawe waba unyihutishije uyu munsi, se urumva bishoboka urantunguye. Ikigabo kimureba urujisho. Padiri arikanga bano.
We will manage.
Ariko umuntu yagerageza da.
There is a
Hari
bed on the street
hari kantine iri hara hanze.
there in 15 minutes.
Tuhahurire mu minota 15.
In with a man named Yuri.
Urahasanga umugabo witwa Yuri. Ngaho mpumugisha rero.
so we look like good people.
Kugira ngo abaturage babone ko turi abantu beza batadukeka, bagire ngo uri padiri muzima. Guhaye umugisha Imana iguha umugisha baba padiri mubona boherezwa mu bihugu hirya no hino bari ba maneko. Yey. Yeah. Tugaruke Washington DC. Harabariyo. Muzunzu ubumwe.
So what do you know about the internship?
Iriya porogaramu bita internship yiziki ntabwo ari byinshi.
It was an agency program that went off the rails.
Cyonse cyo ni porogaramu yatangiye nyuma y'igiza kwanga barayifunga.
It did.
Yego.
So,
None se
this young girl,
uyu mwana w'umukobwa ukiri muto,
Daughter.
umukobwa wanjye.
sorry.
Umbabarira umukobwa wawe.
So, your daughter, is somehow
Umukobwa wawe se nawe yaba ari muri iyo porogaramu?
And I have no idea
Yego, ariko nanjye sinari mbizi.
where she was until 24 hours.
Maze amasaha 24 menye aho umukobwa wanjye ari, sinari nzo yagiye.
When I had my kid.
Nungwita uno mwana nanjye nari umwana muto.
Disowned me.
Ababyeyi banjye banyirukanye mu rugo ngo ndatwite.
I didn't know what to do.
Sinari nzi cyo gukoresha umwana nabyaye.
And joined the
Namutanze muri oruferina nigira mu gisirikare.
and then I ended
Ndangije igisirikare njya kwiga, maze kwiga njya muri CIA
like you.
kimwe nawe. Niho twahuriye mu gisirikare.
I'm guessing
Ndakeka
daughter ended up in the intern.
agakobwa ka rero bivuze ngo waragatanze ngo bakadobote birangira kisanze muri gahunda ya gahunda nyine yo gurokirita abana batonye CIA.
Cruel, it would seem.
Ewa nibihe nibibi pe.
And now the CIA wants
None ubu CIA
alive.
umwana wanjye ramushaka ari muzima cyari umupfu.
want her.
Abarusiya bo barashaka umwana wanjye ari umupfu.
I really need you to help me.
Ndagira ngo mfashe mbona umukobwa wanjye mbere yuko ibintu biba bibi.
With the Russians.
Kuki Abarusiya bifuza ko umukobwa wawe apfa?
It makes sense. Think about it. I mean,
Birasobanutse.
the Russians tried to start up their own.
Abarusiya nabo bagerageje gutangira porogaramu yabo yo gutoza abana.
Now they're worried that
Iranga.
they're gonna reboot ours.
Yanze rero bari gutekereza ko twebwe dushobora kuba tugiye kuyikomeza yacu dukoresheje aba bana.
All right. So,
Impamvu bifuza kubica.
if the Russians are going to come here,
Nimba Abarusiya bagiye kuza hano
after her,
bakiruka inyuma y'umukobwa we bakamuhiga.
they're going to send somebody that's good.
Hari umuntu nzi bashobora kohereza w'umuhanga. Ninde?
He's an old friend of mine.
Umuntu Abarusiya bashobora kohereza muri Amerika n'inshuti yanjye ya kera.
He's good at his job.
Ni umuhanga mu kazi ke.
We have had a
Je
discussion.
niyo nshuti y'Umurusiya rero dufite ibintu tutumvikanyeho. Ni ibiki mutumvikanyeho bisobanure?
So the last time I saw him,
Ni ibintu tutumvikanyeho ku buryo bwo duherukana.
kill me.
Yari ari kugerageza kunyica nubwo ari kumwita inshuti ya kera, urumva ko ahubwo ari abanzi ba kera b'Umurusiya bahari banganye. Aho ni sawa. Niwe muntu bashobora kohereza wenyine. Tugaruka yitwa Little Odessa muri Brooklyn. Hari cafe ihari, cafe Alexei, kantine. Wa Murusiya yamaze kuhagera ari muri Amerika tayari. Yicara hano. Rebe. Padiri Rafael kumwe na Yantare. Zanye na Yantare padiri. Padiri aheruka gukorana n'Abarusiya kera. Ikigo cyabo cy'ubutasi cyitwa KGB.
Yuri was wondering if you...
Yuri yibazaga nimba utagenda ukazagaruka ejo kuko uri kunyihutisha unshyiraho puresha. Yaraseka. Padiri sasa nagashaka kubafasha ahubwo yahise azana bounce.
You better go.
Valu ugende.
He's very busy.
Uyu munsi padiri arahuze. Jejeje! Mutwara w'umena wa yanara umugabo si ubutumbi. Padiri ahita co.
We'll see you now.
Tuzabonana uyu munsi. Wimu muhagurutse. Muteke ndihagurutse.
Moment.
Maya kanya.
Yes.
Yego.
Is a young CIA.
Uwo muhanganye ni umunyesaye bita analyst w'umukobwa witwa Janice.
Former CIA operative.
Uwo muhanganye rero bari bagutumye aba CIA ngo aguhige, yagiye gusaba ubufasha wa CIA operative
Nelson Bates.
witwa Nelson Bates.
She was once his lover.
Bahuze bakundana kera.
We have
Ndamuzi,
history.
dufitanye amateka.
Do you let him
Ndabizi muraziranye. Waramuretse abaho
Not die easily.
kubera ko adapfa byoroshye.
easily?
Buri muntu apfa byoroshye.
Try hard.
Ntabwo nuko utagerageje cyane ngo ushyiremo imbaraga.
Right motivation.
Ukeneye rero motivasiyo ifatika.
with the intern.
Ngiye koherereza aderese z'aho wasanga abo ngaba abo bana.
And I am the only one who needs.
Ayo makuru yakuye yaho abana bari. Ni njye njyenyine ukwiye kumenya aho ayo makuru yavuye.
Get on with your work.
We kora akazi turakurangira abana bari ujye kubica. Rebe. Bamuhaye location y'aho abana bari ngajye kubica. Abana bari muri cabin iri ahantu mu ishyamba, ari bwa buzuba mu ishyamba. Muri New York. Rebe. Barakwereka kuri no muri upstate New York. Abana baraparitse. Bavayo. Buri umwe yaje ku kabanyuro ke. Urebe. Hano ari gukina n'ibyuma. Yari gukina n'ibinini.
Salutations.
Ndabaramukije.
And salutation.
Uraturamukije.
What's web, idiot?
And you would know that, right? Because you're what?
Imyaka ingahe?
I don't know, I think it was...
11.
I like Charlotte's Web.
I'm sorry. I didn't know this was going to be the children's hour.
Ntabwo rebizi ko ari amasaha y'abana.
If you get shot
Imyaka
or
18.
in any way mutilated or spindled, I'm gonna be the best friend you have.
Nugera ahantu kurasa bikakunanira ninjye uzagutabara kuko nkoresha ibyuma.
Hi guys.
Bite basoro ya Jeanne.
Thank you for being here, really.
Mwakoze kwa muri
I
hano.
already met her. Pop Carrie, meet everyone.
Apothecary ntabwo mwahuye nawe nuriya.
What's up? So this is Rubicon.
Uyu ni Rubicon.
Dagger.
Uramwita Daga. Bonsoir.
Bring a knife to a gun.
Tugenda n'ibyuma abantu muri iyi minsi barwanisha imbunda.
Time a knife as an adventure.
Hari igihe ibyuma bikora kurusha imbunda wamukinga ahita abanza kimukubita hagati y'amaguru icyuma arebe neza ukuntu cyihuta.
Would you like to see that again?
Nongere mwereke ukuntu icyuma gikoramo.
Nah.
Oya buretse.
Good.
Meze neza kabisa winyereka.
This is Analyst.
Uyu ni analyst.
To meet you all.
Byiza guhura namwe.
And I'm Renee.
Jye banyita Rene.
Big guy.
Uriya ninde se?
I'm Caliber.
Banyita Kaliba.
Kid.
Wakana we wagapeti we.
No one here was ever a kid.
Nta muntu muri twe wigeze abaho umwana.
They took away our childhood.
Ubuto bwacu barabutwibye.
Remember what they put us all through?
Muribuka ibyo batunyujijemo. Babareze n'aba bana babarebeshaga hasi amaguru ari hejuru bakakubwira ngo mara amasaha 5 amaguru ari hejuru umutwe uri hasi. Nta buto bazi barabubibye. Se yarabafashe ibarera ari bakira abana bagira imashini zica.
Fight trained us to kill.
Badutoje kurwana hagati yacu badutoza kwica.
So you know we can choose to hide and
Twahisemo kwihisha.
or something that we're not, or we can
Uko mwari mwarabikoze mukajye kwihisha mu kazi katari akanyu twabikomeza
what we're capable of.
cyangwa se tukereka isi icyo dushoboye.
You guys are like the closest to a family.
Murabizi mwese nimwe famille ya hafi nzi twareranywe nta bandi nzi.
Hiding.
Ndambiwe kwihisha.
What about you?
Mwebwe.
You've really been practicing that speech, haven't you?
Ariko maze iminsi witoza kuzatubwira rino jambo. Yego. Uvuze ijambo ryiza kandi imashini zica nago zivuga ijambo ryiza. Ubwo amaze iminsi ari yitoza ukuntu azababwira. Urebe aho bari mu ishyamba wibuke hamenyekanye. Raje ategura hano akantu k'agacyayi mwakira icyayi.
My own blend, everyone. Enjoy.
It's delicious.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Baje kunywa mu baganire.
Nice slippers, man.
Mwana wambaye slipa nziza.
They're comfy.
Mwana ariko ziri comfy.
Anyone?
Ariko ubundi we hari umuntu ukunda. Oya.
You guys kind of know a little bit about me.
Mwese musa nkaho munsi narabandikiye.
Why don't we just take this time to go around the room.
kuki tutafata umwanya ngo twibwirane ibyo umuntu yabagamo
Just keep it to the.
buri umwe akanavuga ibyo ashoboye.
Okay, yeah, I'll go first. My name's
Reka nihereho.
codename Apothecary.
Banyita Julie, codename
Mostly in New York. I think I'm Jewish.
nkeka ko ndi umuyahudi.
I was when I first entered the internship.
ninjiye muri gahunda ya stage
Working with these
maze kwanga njya gukora muri ambasade y'abanyayisiraheli fotora
behalf, I took out a number of highlights
baza kuntuma ku banzi b'igihugu cya Isiraheli
that I put in there.
ndangije njya kubiba amadosiye abo n'ibyo amadosiye nabahaye icyayi bamaze kukinywa bose barapfa kandi niwe umaze kubaseriva icyayi ubu twe iki turi kunywa kiratekanye urugero abantu mu byayi.
Relax. It wasn't these herbs.
Oya imiti nakoresheje ndoga bayandi bantu ntago ariyo irimo hano bahise batereka amatasi hasi.
Miss Chloe.
Basi nanjye ni Chloe banyita Daga.
I think I'm French.
Nkeka ko ndi umufaransa
No, for sure.
ariko simbizi neza
Sound like it.
nuko numva mvuga nk'abafaransa.
My early years in the internship.
Namaze imyaka muri internship
Working
irangiye isanga mu Faransa
until I was ordered to kill him.
banyohereza kujya gukora muri cabinet y'abafaransa baza kumbwira ngo nakoreraga mwice.
Voilà. C'est moi.
C'est moi. Woni wenje.
On a time, I was known as Elliot.
Je kera banyitaga Elliot.
Gone for a long while now.
Ariko batangira kujya banyita codename ya Rubicon.
My story's not particularly romantic.
Muri yanjye ntago ari urukundo nta nubwo ishishikaje.
Finished most of my trip.
Narangije imyitozo yanjye banyohereza mu Butaliyani.
After that, I was working with
nyuma y'akazi banyohereza gukorera umukira cyane mu Bwongereza.
Hell of a lot.
Uwo mukira nyigisha byinshi amfata nk'umwana we.
Wasn't until he
Uwo mukire
committed suicide.
aza kwiyahura.
Apparently.
Nyine niko bigaragara. Ko bigaragara.
Let's just say I didn't kill him.
Nyine kugira bitumvikana ko namwishe kandi yaramfataga nk'umwana we yarantoje buri kimwe byyagaragaye ko yiyahuye. Ubwo cyaramwishe. Abana batoje no kwica umuntu wakwitaye akagufata nk'umwana. W'inkuru yawe imeze ite? Twebwe rero.
I'm Caliber.
Je ndi Caliber.
I'm just good at hurting people.
Je ndi umuhanga mu kubabaza abantu.
That's all.
Ni ibyo gusa mukwiye kumenyaho. Turashize. Suri warakaye. Makuru bakwiye kumumenyaho nuko ari umuhanga mu kubabaza abantu.
Last but not least, our fluffy-toed friend here.
Reka tubaze inshuti yacu hano nayo twebwe.
I've got the basic intern skills.
Je mfite ubumenyi bukenya.
Vision, acute hearing.
Gukoresha night vision. Kumva ibintu abandi batumva gukoresha ibyitumanaho.
Money.
Ndi n'umuhanga mu by'amafaranga.
Understanding how it works.
Ndi umuhanga mu gutuma abantu basobanukirwa uburyo amafaranga akoramo. Buri hari igihe abantu bazi ngo bazi uburyo amafaranga akoramo ariko batabizi.
They put me with a Russian attaché.
Bankoresheje gukora n'Abarusiya muri Philadelphia bakunda gukira urusimbi.
Stock market.
Nkagerageza kugusha isoko ry'imigabane ryabo.
This is where they place me.
Aho niho banyohereje gukora.
My handler said I look Russian.
Agent wamfashaga wa CIA na reportingaga handler wanjye yambwiye ko nsanga Abarusiya niyo mpamvu banyohereje mu Barusiya. Yeah. Kumbe barakwereka ya kafe. Nelson nawe yahise yizaho yahuza kuri CIA. Sheri we wa kera yamusabye ubufasha ati mfasha mbona umukobwa wanjye w'umustajeri asaza muri ya kafe.
Hey, big man.
Big man. Uzane meni ndebe sha icyo narya. Yinjiye mu Barusiya n'umunyamerika. Bafite ukuntu bano bantu babironda iyo bageze mu bihugu bafite amaresitora yabo yagera mukabona kugeze mu Bashinwa gusa mu Barusiya. Sorry.
I'm sitting in the wrong place.
Nicaye ahantu hatariho.
Kitchen is closed.
Gikoni cyafunze. Uncle Austin.
Kind of looks open.
Genda muri igikoni cy'igifunguye.
It's close to you.
Banyita Austin, igikoni kirafunze.
That sucks.
Birababaje.
You know what? Fuck that.
Urabizi murakijyaho.
I'm actually here to see
Je kureba witwa Vlad.
There is no Vlad here.
Nta Vlad tugira hano. Areba Barusiya.
Place like this.
Ahantu nkaha.
There's always a Vlad.
Haba hari Vlad uko byamera kose.
Talking about.
Uwo mvuga kandi uramuzi.
Where came from?
Subiraho uturutse. Batarayifuna nimva bifunira rimwe. Ngambwira.
Call me. Right? When you can talk again.
Mukira.
I guarantee you he's gonna want to talk to me.
Gire Vlad aze kumiga tuvugane. Yamukubise ingoto niva bivunira rimwe. CIA batoza hana amaje yabayakubita umuntu naka kurateho ngarabyibushye.
Sit down.
Mukomeze murye cyanamwe mbaho ibyanyu. Barusiya bikangamo umuntu ufatikije nk'iki akagikubita ahantu rimwe. Kumbe Vlad yarungurukaga. Na cyacicanye cyarebaga cyavuye mu Burusiya. Nako nta nubwo ari umwicanyi n'umukozi wa FSB n'ikigo cy'ubutasi cy'Abarusiya. yagufasha arakwica.
Cab's taken.
We imodoka nayifashe wamwinjiranye baramufungirana.
I have a message for you.
Ufitiye ubutumwa.
What's the message?
We butumwa.
It is a good night for you to cuddle.
Iri ni ijoro ryiza ryo gucaho
Fireplace.
ugashaka ahantu ujya kwishyuhiriza harakonje,
Perhaps you should make pretend. Turn on the stove.
cyangwa ukajya mu rugo ugacana ishyiga ryawe.
Go home.
Jya mu rugo ntuzagaruke hano harakonje. Okora baramufu urebe Urusiya bari baje kumukanga kubitiye Umurusiya aramwica, baje kumukanga ngo yongeye kubagendaho mufunagura mwica mukanyaga ko guhumbya funagura kurame nyayamaramo. Nelson kingura umuryango, kingura umuryango. Amurusiya unera ubwoba umuntu wa CIA nawe n'umwicanyi yari amaze igihe yicururiza baga. Murakoze ahita aza kwicara ku mwanya wa shoferi yitware. Bebe barabibonye. Telefone.
Yes.
Yego.
Looks like Miss Dalton has brought Nelson James in.
Bisa nka wa mugore Dalton twahaye akazi yagiye kurokerita Nelson ngo amufashe mu kazi.
Do you have a problem with that?
Hari ikibazo amufashije se?
Well, there are those who
Uriya muginga yarankubise. Nta kibazo barike.
play nice.
Wegira umwana mwiza. Turi ku ruhande rumwe nabo badukorere. Nabibonye uyu n'umwe yakubise ajya kuva mu kazi Nelson bakamwirukana muri CIA. Garije. Abana baje guhisha ikimodoka cyabo. Ibintu baza bagashyiraho by'ibiti ku buryo wagira ngo iyi si imodoka ni ishyamba. Hey, bana bagiye kwisha mu mashyamba arabizi ko Umurusiya ari kubahiga ngo abice. CIA nayo irabahiga ngo ibakoreshe cyane itabakoresha basi bice. Kimwe muri ibyo. Uyu mukobwa nk'umuntu uri kwita ku bandi bana yaraje atangira gutega za kamera hano ku buryo yagize ubinjirana mu mashyamba bamubona mbere atarabageraho.
Morning. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi.
Bite. Garakeye.
How did you sleep?
Like I was drugged.
Wasinzira ute nk'uwaruzwe? Icyayi waduhaye cyadusinzirije cyane.
Last night?
Nanjye nuko. Nasinziriye nk'akabebe.
Thought everybody.
Ntabwo turi abanyamirwe kuba tubyutse.
It was valerian root, guys.
Nabahaye Valerian root.
It's totally natural and harmless.
Ni imiti itagira icyo itwara ubuzima ahubwo ituma abantu basinzira cyane.
Hypnotic. No?
Nabahaye icyayi kirimo imiti ituma musinzira mwari mukeneye kuruhuka.
From the FSB.
Abarozi ngo basinzire neza. Dore amakuru nakuye mu biro by'ubutasi by'Abarusiya.
Couldn't believe what I went through to get it.
Uzi ibyo nanyuzemo kugira ngo muri iyi gipapuro. Abandi bastajeri bagenzi bacu bari rero bivuze ngo ni benshi nagaraba gusa.
So you guys are the only ones who showed up, so
Nahamagaye bose narabandikiye nimwe mwaje gusa.
Internship.
Bishobora ko ari twebwe dusigaye abandi bapfuye.
Trafalgar 9.
Trafalgar 9.
What the hell is that?
Ibi bisobanuye iki? Herezo uyu.
Of this.
Ibi ni ibiki?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Ibyo dushaka gusobanukirwa. Rebe, ubona hano hariho imibare.
What?
Iki?
Number at the bottom.
Iyi mibare iri hasi.
270-956. Be a routing number for a bank?
Ishobora kuba ari nimero za banki.
And how do you know?
Ukaba ubizi ute?
Like I said,
Uko nababwiye.
with money.
Tumuhanga ku mafaranga.
Plus, I know 7 different ways to kill with my thumb.
Ikindi nzi n'uburyo bwo kwica abantu nkoresheje ibikumwe byanjye.
Some sort of slush fund or something?
Rebe.
Maybe it's not that much money.
Ndabona ariko watera amafaranga menshi.
Is that not a lot of money?
Yeah, man, that's more than $1 million.
Uyu n'amafaranga arenga miliyoni y'idolari.
277,000.
Yego ni miliyoni imwe n'ibihumbi 270 na.
Exactly.
But he's right, though.
Aravuga ukuri.
It's actually
Ntabwo
not
ari amafaranga menshi.
if you're the
Cyane cyane ku bantu bakorana na CIA.
to unlimited funds.
Exactly.
Can you check the routing number, please?
Izi kode muturebere ni izihe banki? Ni imibare.
2700956.
2 batangira gukanda kana kariya.
It's for United First Bank.
United First Bank muri New York.
New York?
Yo!
That's where we're going.
Aho niho tugiye muri New York kuri iyo banki. Kumva ishyamba barimo abicanyi baje. Wibuka Abarusiya bari bazi bano bana aho bari. urebe kamera zirababona.
You think they are?
They don't look friendly.
Bari abantu ntago basa nk'inshuti zacu. Abantu baza kudusura bafite imbunda mwambara inkweto. Bidori bikweto yambaye Yesu aterekamo. Urebe berekeri abanzi baje bimeze biti.
Of course it is. The bigger the gun, the smaller the... Hey, come on.
Umuntu afite imbunda nini bisobanuye ko abafite ahita mucecekesha. Icyo yaragiye gukomeza avuga ariko muri kucyumva. Cyangwa batarajya kure. Telefone. Nelson. Barazire. Inshuti yanjye ya kera. Vlad.
So, we're friends now.
Bivuze ngo buturi inshuti.
The last time I saw you, you had a knife in my throat.
Ukomeruka kubona wari wamfatiye icyuma ku ngoto ushaka kunyica. Nawe ariko washaka kunyica. Rero ntago mbifata nk'aho ari urwango rwihariye. Ariko twavuye mu kazi.
Never really out.
Kano kazi kacu nta muntu ujya ukavamo.
Do them a favors.
Hari umuntu waje kunsaba faveri, rero naje kumufasha. Biratangaje ukuntu uvuga ngo faveri.
I did you a favor.
Nanjye nakugiriye faveri.
I let you live.
Ndakubabarira sinakwica.
You let me live.
Warandetse mbaho.
Remember it differently.
Genda byibuka bitandukanye.
However you want.
Byagenze bite?
No more favor.
Ntakongera kukugirira faveri.
I have my order.
Nahawe itegeko ryo gukwica.
Do.
Ukora icyo ufite gukora, nshuti yanjye. Nibahura n'ukwicana. Bose n'abahanga mu byo bakora. Kandi abicanyi banyabo nimba rabonye. Kumba yisamenya aho bari. Cyagiye ubwo yakubitaga yanare muri restaurant.
Tell Vlad to call me.
Gire Vlad amamagari. Yamushyizeho agakurura amerekezo. Arabahamagaye agira ngo amenye amerekezo barimo. Uyu nguyu uri hano yantare yambaye akantu ka GPS kagaragaza aho bari. Uri kubakurikira. Ukina uratangiye. Yabaziye. Tugiye gutandukana. Twataka impande zombi. Tugire bataragira. Abarusiya barinjira ishyamba. Bunda barazifite. Karachnikov.
If any of us get separated, that's where we're meeting up. They're coming at us from the east and the west.
Batwatatse baturutse uburasirazuba n'uburengerazuba.
This right here, this paint,
Twebwe hano hari irangi rero.
follow, so you're gonna take the lead.
Niho tugiye guca.
Hey.
What?
Iki?
How come he gets to take the lead?
Kucyura ari uyoboye.
Through in the back to take up the rear.
Yemba akeneye inyuma kugira ngo mubarindire.
Heavy.
Ibintu bigiye kuba binini cyane.
Very.
Kandi sinabikora njyenyine.
Sometimes bigger is better.
We rimwe na rimwe imbunda nini birenze wa muginga we. Bano barapingana batangiye no guterana ibyuma kuva ninjoro. Urebe.
We head out to the snow.
Urabizi twerekere hari urubura.
Da.
Barakomeza. Yeah. Urebe. Katurori. Yeah. Kumbi. Tarajya kuri.
Okay, ready.
Witegure. 12 o'clock.
Got it.
Ndababona. Baby. Gake. Yeah. Yeah. Hey! Sasu. Shiramo.
What's that?
Wonindi.
I don't know.
Simbizi.
Come on.
Ngwino.
Okay, let's get this van cleared.
Reka ino modoka tuyikure hano. Modoka rubanza bayikure ibyo bayikuraho. Bagabo bashe. Fire! Mujisho. Yarabumva yazanye sniper. Iduri imbunda ku mutwe. Fire! Bana nibahusha. Bana bato. Batojwe na bashyiramo. Jirano. Pakira ibintu byabo gake bihuse cyane. We. Bicanyi baje. Masasu baramurasa. Mutwe. Barawumena. Tugende. comeka mu modoka abicanyi bashe sniper ari gutabara bano bana niyo misi yariho cyo ni iki
Pressure on my big boy.
kugira ngo amaraso adakomeza kumeneka
Funny thing.
yasekeje bano baza kwihisha ari sniper sasu
Tuchoni papamiya!
Vuga ikirusiya cyuma ya munini wibuke yatubwiye ngo bamutoje kumva ibintu abandi batumva impamvu bonyiyumvisha isasu riri kuza kari kwepa abana ni amamashini kari abantu nk'ibi filime batse imodoka berekere duyi bamusize ari imirambo gusa abanyamerika bamenye guto turi sasu yahindukiye abona yantari hari akantu yambaye ku ikote ariko yana ubona ikigoryi bagiteze ka GPS wa kigoryi yantari utwe ndawumenye twe yarawumenye you know itacaho
You couldn't leave well enough alone. Could you, Nelson?
Nelson ntago ari kugenda wenyine kweri utanegeye abana bebe Nelson azano abika ibyo abika bano no baza guhisha imirambo yabo nyiri umupfungo ni ufata hanuka CIA yahageze yasanze imirambo y'abarusiya bebe
Give me an update.
mama
The whole place is a mess.
hano hose hari ibibazo gusa n'umwanda
Russians got to the interns before we did.
abarusiya bageze ku bastajeri mbere ko tubageraho
Back channel chatter also confirms that. Supposedly codename Phantom.
bisa nkaho Phantom ari wabikoze
Just don't know they're compromised.
na Catalyst bari kumwe
To right into a shit show.
Listen, you find Catalyst.
ushaka Catalyst
By the interns
ushaka abastajeri
and the mole.
ushake n'umugambanyi watugambaniye akabwira abarusiya abana bari uvuze ngo hari umugambanyi ushobora kubabwira abarusiya abana bari niyo mpamvu mu Rusiya byamworoheye kumenya aho abastajeri bari bano bana bari kubita abastajeri barizwe na porogaramu yitwaga stage hey
The only thing I've got
Well, is an address on the dark web. All the
icyo namukuyeho na aderese za ya dark web bandikiranyeho ugiye kuzikoherereza yego kwereka imodoka ya Jean imodoka y'abana baje guparika hano dore ukuntu bahagarara ariko barinze wagira ngo barinze ikigo cya gisirikare nta guhagarara nk'abasivili abana bato cyane harimo n'uw'ibiryo byaje kurusha ubwenge
Just enough ammo to take the edge off.
bebe kubita ikindi gishinge gira bameze neza
Papa, I love you.
ndagukunda
That would happen.
nakubwiye kuzankunda rega
What is it?
nibiki
Friend.
inshuti iratwandikiye
That's what they're calling themselves.
niko batangiye kwita ngo ni inshuti
Any idea who it could be?
uwo ninde waba utwandikiye ngo ni inshuti
Got someone on the edge backing us up.
umuntu ushobora kumenya iyi email yacu atwandikiraho biratangaje
What I think.
sinzi icyo ntekereza
Let's find out.
reka tumenye n'indi ahita amuhamagara
Hello.
halo
Who are you?
urinde
I'm an ally.
duwo dufatanije
How can we trust you?
twakwizera gute
Do you really have any other options?
hari andi mahitamo se ufite bahise bahura muri iryo joro bashinze ibirindiro dore ukuntu bahagarara umwe muri metero 10 undi mu zindi veni undi muri 50 dore uburyo barebamo ni amamashini yica n'abana yese aza kubareba Nelson uya yamaze kwipanga akazi buri abantu barenga 5 iyo bateranye umuyobozi abagomba kuba barimo baba baramutoye cyangwa bataramutoye yese aza kureba umuyobozi wabo ko bigenda.
Hi.
What's your game?
Mikino yawe ni iyihe?
My name is Nelson Beatty.
Banyita Nelson Beatty. Uwa CIA?
No, not anymore.
Ntago nkiyirimo.
Unceremoniously retired, so...
Navuye muri CIA imyaka myinshi ishize.
Why?
Kubera iki?
I knocked out my boss.
Nakubise ingumi boss wanjye.
Trust me, he deserved it.
Gusa yarabikwiriye.
Great. Well, 1 point for you.
Icyo ni igitego kimwe utsinze.
But I just don't get why.
Ariko sinumva impamvu.
Why did they send you?
nimba barakwirukanye muri CIA kuki bakohereje kuri twe?
They didn't send me.
Ntago CIA yari inyohereje.
Your mother did.
Mama wawe ni unyohereje. Uyaraseka mama. Ngira mama se nawe ngira.
We cloned in a lab.
None se wakorewe muri laboratoire niho bakuremeye nta nyo kugira.
Being has a mother.
Kiremwa muntu kiba cyarabyawe n'umugore.
But whoever my mother was, I never met her. It was raised.
Mama wanje wese simuzi narezwe na stage.
I was briefed.
Barabimbwiye nabyo.
Your mother was 17 when she got pregnant.
Yoko yarafite imyaka 17 ubwo yakubyaraga. Abasaza bageze muri imyaka niko bavuga ntago yakubwira ngo mama wawe nakantu k'agafaransa akubwira mu Kinyarwanda. Nyoko ubwo yarafite imyaka 17 yarakubyaye yaragutwite.
Family kicked her out.
Famiye yiramwirukana mu rugo.
No home.
Nta rugo yarafite, no mafaranga yarafite yo kukurera.
She was desperate.
Atumutwe. Agutanga muri oruferina.
She joined the military.
Arangije yigira mu gisirikare.
She was guaranteed somewhere to sleep.
Mu gisirikare bamubwira ko bazamuha icyo kurya aho kuryama.
Discovered she was quite good at it.
Babona n'umuhanga mu bya gisirikare. CIA ibonye ari umuhanga yitimutwara.
Now, her mission
ya mama wawe
is to bring you
kukujyana muri CIA niyo bamutumyeho.
Shot to you, why?
Mama wanjye kuki yakunyuzeho?
Yeah, okay, the two of you. Got it.
Mise mbyumva nakubwoyeho na mama ha. Nyine tubyumva kuba mama bamutumye akazi akajya kureba undi mugabo badafite icyo bapfana akamutuma mu kazi. Kuki mama ari weho yanyuzeho se nguzo nshake? Yamubajije icyo kibazo ahita anyuzamo nako ndabyumva ubwo. We na mama harashyaga nicyo nyine bavuze ariko mujye mwumva.
What you should get is the CIA once you bought in.
CIA iragushaka bakuzana uri muzima.
The Russians want to kill you.
Abarusiya bagashaka kwica.
You've just witnessed.
Wanabyiboneye mu kanya bakurasaga.
I put a tracker on one of the.
Wamenye gutaho turi hari umurusiya nayo nashyizeho tracking device.
Next question. I don't know how they found you.
Ahubwo sinzi abarusiya bo bamenye gutahura. Bivuze ngo hari umugambanyi muri twe.
Now the Russian that is hunting you.
Abarusiya umurusiya uri kuguhiga. Yitwa Vlad Korikachevo.
He's very good.
Umuhanga.
He would have found you on his own.
Niyo haba nta mugambanyi urimo yamenya aho uri akaguhiga.
All right.
Okay.
So, what do you think I should?
None rero nkora iki?
I propose you go meet your mother.
Ndagira ngo uzuge guhura na nyoko.
I'll take you to her.
Ndagushyira nyoko. Niko bavuga.
Comfortable. And you walk away.
Yumva utabyishimiye wigendere.
All right.
Sawa.
Set it up.
Tegura umuhuro muhure na mama.
Lying to me, you're dead.
Nitsanga umbeshyira umupfu.
Let's try to avoid that, shall we?
Reka tugerageze kwirinda gupfa mwana muto.
Meet your mom.
Tujye guhura na nyoko.
Park your car, we're taking yours.
Pakira imodoka yawe turatwara iyanjye. Kanara.
Ma'am.
Yego mabuja. Musaza ari mu kana buryo kama amategeko. Garuke Albany muri New York niho tukiri. Durukunda ibyana bimureba ariko ibi byana biza abantu nishe. Bino byana bishobora kuba ari ibyicanye ariko umusaza nk'usaziye muri CIA aba yarisha abantu.
Show.
Mumwereke. Abanza baramwereka. Baramwereka.
So, you're planning to rob
muri gupanga kwiba banki.
Not quite.
Oya ntabwo dushaka kwiba banki. Bamwereka ifoto gisaza we. Mwabyana mwe namwe mbongere kubonishe. Muri umuntu mukuru wese nuzajya ubona umuntu mukuru imyaka 40-50 ujye umenye ko uwo muntu imyaka agezemo ashobora kuba yarahemukiye abantu benshi, yarambuye benshi, yarishe benshi, ntago wageze iyo myaka utarakora icyaha kinini. Keretse nkatwe tuba twaririnze turi muri 50 tukiri inyangamugayo.
FSB headquarters in Moscow.
Cyo ni gipapuro nakuye ku cyicaro gikuru cya FSB.
Is a routing number.
Iyi ni nimero yo muri First Union Bank.
Coordinates to the New York City branch.
Korodone cyangwa se tuganisha muri New York.
Nicely done.
It was nothing.
Baby.
That last bit. Trafalgar 9.
Trafalgar 9.
What's that?
Cyo ni iki?
We were hoping that you could tell us that.
Twari tuzi ko ari wowe wabidusobanurira.
No. I can't.
Ntago nshobora.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Uko mukeka ibintu nanjye niko mbiketse.
There you go.
Akira impapuro zari kuwakigabo ntago uri kutubeshya dore ukuntu Rwanda rumureba. Ibyana ni ibigome. Kiba kikurira kivuga ati wakoze ikosa nka kwica koko. Azi ko buri hari abantu babayeho mwe mutajya mumenya. Ye murabona murahubukama mushaka kwenderanya ku bantu mubagirire nabi. Mubavuge mubahemukire mubambure. Hari abantu babayeho babatega iyo mitego avuga ati yamba bari yakamvuga nabi nkabona ukuntu niyicira umuntu. Bega barwana no kugira ngo hagire umuntu mutsitaraho. Namwe mukagenda mutsitara ku bantu munabiyenzaho. Mbona sha muri indangare. Abantu nabagomi. Byana bivayo. Yesu ukuntu mba maze igihe nabona umuntu nyiyenzaho ngo nkwereke utuntu nikorera. Byana bivayo. uwo basanze hano. Bararebana.
Hi, Mom.
Bite mama Mary. Baraseka bose nabicanyi na mama n'umwica.
How am I supposed to know you are who you say you are?
Ese ndabwirwa n'iki kuri uvuga kuri we?
You don't?
Ntabwo ari ngombwa ubimenye.
But whether I'm your mom or not, I still got...
Naba ndi mama we naba ntari mama wawe ngomba kukurinda.
Safe.
Kumurinda
All due respect.
mu cyubahiro byawe wa mugore we.
Keep the world safe from us.
Ahubwo turinde isi. Ndagira ngo mva amagambo y'ibi byana ngo mwabana mwe ngo ngomba kubarinda. Abana bati uturinda ahubwo urinde isi uyiturinde tutayimara.
You think I don't know that?
Urakeka ibyo ntago mbizi.
All right, so what now?
Sawa dukora iki? Bebe bakiraho hari zahise ziza zihuse cyane. Abana barikanga. Abakozi ba CIA bahise baza.
What's he doing here?
Arakora iki hano?
I don't know.
Ntago mbizi umuhamagaye.
Dick Jones,
Mazina yanjye ni Dick Jones,
the director of...
Deputy Director of Operations wa CIA.
I have orders to bring the...
Amategeko yo kubajyana mwebwe muri assets zacu. Assets niko babita nyine bari CIA ikoresha bita assets.
We're not going anywhere.
Ahantu tujya.
People in line, Catalyst. We're here to help you.
Catalyst turi hano kugufasha. Abantu banjye.
Get this, mister.
Reka nkubwire mister.
Nobody's people.
Twe nta muntu n'umwe turuwe. CIA yitwita ngo turi ibikoresho byayo. Twe turigenga.
Really?
Koko.
And what are you?
Muri ibiki se?
We're interns.
Turi abastajeri. Ho! Sasu. Murusiya yahageze. Murusiya yahageze. Masasu aratangira. Bandi basubiranamo na CIA. CIA ntago bashaka kuyikorera. Bimeze bite? Masasu. Cover me. Do. Fire. Ready. Masasu. Reba filime witonze. Gasobanura films.com. Vigikopo. Che. Baby. Che. Njira mu modoka. Chingana. We niba bacike. Bana bitatse imodoka. Dick Jones azano. Je. Meke imodoka. Niba ducike. Kurikira abana. Baby. Yeah. Arakurikira. Yeah. Chuga. Baby.
God damn it!
Chegari we. Barasigaye.
Bloody hell was that?
Bira byari ibiki. Akurino. Murusiya bamurashe. Yaramufata.
You die before you touch that.
Nushaka gukora ku mbunda urapfa utarayikoraho. Kuki uri guhiga abana?
Question is,
Ikibazo ni
who can you trust?
wakwizera ndi.
Question is,
Ikibazo cyanjye ni
how'd you know where we were gonna...
wamenye gute aho twari tugiye guhurira? Ninde muntu uri kutugambanira akabwira abarusiya aho tugiye guhurira?
Calling this in.
Itamagara. Hamagaye ku cyicaro cya CIA. Hamagara Fandi.
Your deputy director shows up.
Deputy Director wawe aje arasa abana. Ninde watangiye arasa?
First shot came from...
Sniper wari uri hafi yaho turi.
You're working with Dick Jones?
Uwo musniper ari gukorana na Dick Jones.
He seems
Ko mbikeka.
as everyone else.
Ariko yadutunguye.
You're trying to kill the interns.
Definitely.
Bivuze ngo arusha kwica abana. Ndaje muri nona.
Someone set us up.
Hari umuntu waduteza agatego. Yaba ari weho.
Dignify that with an answer, Agent.
Ntago ari njyewe.
I can make this real hard on you, Vlad.
Vlad ngiye kukugora. Subize. Ninde uri kutugambanira?
Americans,
Abanyamerika.
you have no idea what hard is.
Yes, ntago muzi ijambo gukomera uko rimera.
Trained by the legal nicety.
Kubera kugendera mu bintu byo kwigira abana beza n'indangagaciro.
I wouldn't.
Baye ndi wese nabikora. Fashe imbunda umugabo aramumena. Ahita amumena. Ninde uri kugambana? Uri kuvuga aho abana bari. Aho amakuru abarusiya. Abana baje hano. Bebe. Byabacanze.
Let me see your wound.
Kandi bigikomere cyawe.
I'm fine.
Meze neza bamurashe. Okay.
We can't trust anyone.
Ubu nta muntu n'umwe dufite wo kwizera.
We need to get to the city and we need to get to the bank.
Tujye mu mujyi tujye muri iyo bank.
But there's something we gotta deal with.
Hari ikintu ariko tugomba kubanza twitaho.
What's that?
Cyo ni igiki?
Someone here is a mole.
muri twe harimo umugambanyi. Muri twe harimo umugambanyi.
That sniper shot came from a Russian agent.
Sniper warashe n'umu agent w'Abarusiya.
Now, he's found us twice.
Inshuro ebyiri zose amenya aho turi.
Sure, maybe the guy's good, but twice?
Ni umuhanga mu kudushaka ariko si inshuro ebyiri gute yamenya aho turi.
He's that good.
Nta muhanga gutyo rata. Yego.
Everyone get out of the van.
Mwese musohoke mu modoka. Muri twe harimo umugambanyi. Kobwa za hano.
Can be any one of you.
Ni umwe muri mwe.
Rubicon, I think it's really convenient your car
Bose yabasohoye mu modoka. Baketse ko harimo umugambanyi.
any one of you.
Umugambanyi ashobora kuba ari uwo ari wese muri mwe.
Really convenient your car explodes right.
Gute wasohotse mu modoka ubundi ikabona guturika. Buriya si uko bari bakurabuye. Ari guceka. Tangiye guceka bamenye.
It's not you accusing me.
Mu bibazo byose twanyuranye muri kunkeka.
Tree or something.
Ariko wasaze.
Going out with your tea.
Apothecary.
Blend everyone.
We ujuroga n'abantu mu cyayi.
Calling on you.
Udusinziriza wahamagaye ndi rya joro. Baramubonye ari kuri telefone.
What are you talking about? I didn't call anyone.
Nta muntu n'umwe nahamagaye. Daga uhora kuri telefone wandika kuba wandikira abandi. Daga ngahora kuri phone yandika. Bayandikirana nandi.
Hi.
Bite.
Who are you texting?
I'm not texting.
Nta muntu banandikira. Mba ndi gukina video game.
In connection.
They put me with a Russian attaché working in Philadelphia who loved to gamble.
Bebe.
Bullshit. It was my choice where they placed
And
me.
Caliber, he seemed real interested in what was in my bag.
Wowe teko uri mu gikapu cyanjye. Mu gikapu cyanjye rigeze gusanga mu washakagamo iki.
I thought it was mine.
Naketse ko ari icyanjye.
If I didn't-
Ibikapu byacu birasa.
Hey, how could you even...
Identical. They're completely.
Ibikapu byanyu birasa.
Give me that.
Bebe batangira gusubiranamo.
I can't even lie.
Turi gusubiranamo. Yeah.
Phone's out.
Muzane telefone zanyu.
Give them.
Muzikuremo imfunguzo muzime. Ubwo ni imfunguzo ni kode.
Now.
Mubikore nona.
Be ridiculous.
Come on, give him here.
Ramuhereza.
What's going on?
Man, how you gonna lock me up with him, man?
Bebe. Fata telefone zaba zirebe mari bibandikirana na bande arebe n'indi ugambana muri bo.
Meeting in an Airbnb in upstate.
Wadure muri Airbnb.
I'm here.
Tugiye kurara.
These coordinates. Meeting.
Tugiye koreza coordonnées.
Sending.
Tugiye guhura na mama wa Catalyst. Hari uwanditse message.
Rubicon's the most.
Rubicon n'umugambanyi.
Nope.
Oya.
It's yours.
Iyi telefone ni yawe niwe wanditse woherereza abantu adresse za aho turi bamukura amenyo. Mukura amenyo. Nyamunini.
Shut up.
Uretse.
Where'd you grow up?
Wakuriye he?
And remember, I'm the one who's seen your father.
Nibuke ko rerebye amadosiye yawe.
I grew up in Moscow.
Nakuriye Moscow mu Burusiya.
I was assigned, took me to Russia.
Njya gukorana n'umurusiya
Working for the
muri
rest.
Philadelphia.
Not. The guy was a rat.
Uyu niwe maneko.
Find us.
And every
Vlad yamenye aho turi gute.
he said it.
Stop lying.
Iryo zina rya Vlad rimenye muri ifuzo urabeshya.
What do the Russians have planned?
Abarusiya bari kudupangira iki?
Maybe he was.
It was you. I knew
Yari wewe.
Traitor.
Uri umugambanyi. Kiriruka bahita bamumena. Samurasi.
fucking rat.
Ni maneko one.
He was obviously lying.
Yeah, we needed intel from him.
Twari kubanza tukamukuramo amakuru yandi ariko. Mbere yo kumurasa maneko yo mumufashe nago mumwica. Mumukuramo amakuru y'ibindi bamutumye n'ibindi yatanze.
You know what?
Yari umwe muri twe.
He's not.
Nyine ubu ntagakira umwe muri twe yapfuye.
Great. Come on. Moron.
Yeah.
You're digging the hole.
Niwe uri bucukura umwombo tumuhambamo. Niwo mwishe.
So, what's next?
Next, we take a family trip to the bank.
Baby. Baje kureba ya banki. Uruka hari imibare babonye baravuga ati shora kuba ariyo kuri banki.
This should be it.
Check it out.
Zan.
Excuse me, did this used to be a bank?
Ese kano kabanu kanyu kahoze ari banki. Banki yahoze ikorera hano.
This place has been
Simbizi.
here.
Maze nk'imyaka 2 dukorera.
Well, been working here since it started. Think it was a bar before this? Hasn't been a bank for
Zan.
years.
Hano hantu habaga banki kera.
Oh, black coffee.
You mean a short? I mean a small.
atuma ko kunywa.
Thank you.
Umukecuru umenyereye karitsiye.
Is Trafalgar 9?
Ijambo Trafalgar 9 risobanuye iki?
Trafalgar 9.
Trafalgar 9.
I don't know, maybe a store on the street.
Ushobora kuba ari nk'inimero y'umuhanda, iduka.
That I can remember.
Simbyibuka.
Do you mean the old phone exchange?
Ariko nanone kera.
I don't know what a phone exchange is.
Twabikoreshaga nko kugurana telefone.
Once upon a time,
Kera,
before area
mbere yuko bashyiraho nimero z'ibice runaka,
to represent the first two numbers
hari imibare bashyiraga iranga ibice by'ahantu.
August stood for
Trafalgar byabaga bihagarariye TR.
BT was
BT byari 8,
R was
R ubwo yari 7, Trafalgar 9 ubwo
Nine,
yaba ari 8 7 9.
879.
Icyo byabisobanuye.
That exchange in this neighborhood.
Gusa muri karitsiye nago iyo mibare yaharangaga.
There was another branch of the bank.
Hari irindi shami ry'ibanki ryabaga Uptown.
Thank you.
Reka bariho tujya. Hey. Baje Uptown.
Yeah, this is where the other branch of the bank was located.
Hano ni irindi shami ryakoreraga.
Yeah, except it looks like it's been closed.
Rebe.
How many?
Baje Uptown ubwo bari Midtown.
Years.
Hari Downtown.
I'm not so sure about that.
Zakorino kureba hano ni banki itagikora.
It's a schematic drawing
Hano ni igishushanyo cy'inyubako.
where the travel agency was located.
Hano niho iyo travel agency yakorera. Si ibintu byose biri online.
What planet have you been living on?
Cyane.
Okay, so let me guess. There is like a secret basement.
Hano hantu reba nimba hashobora kuba harimo nka basement hasi.
The schematic.
Hano ku gishushanyo nta iriho.
Thing is,
Sigitangaje ni
This building pays a
iyi nyubako nubwo itagikorerwamo ariko buri kwezi yishyura fagitire nyinshi y'amashanyarazi menshi bakoresha. Aha niho twashakaga. Inzu itagikora gute yishyura amashanyarazi menshi buri kwezi ngo nk'ay'uruganda.
Something's not right.
Hari ikintu kitameze sawa.
You guys feel that?
Yeah,
Uri kubyumva?
we're being watched.
Tumeze nk'aho bari kutureba. Bana baratojwe ku buryo babyimvamo iyo hari umuntu uri kubareba babyimvamo ati nyamara bameze nk'aho bari kutureba.
All right, well,
Kumbe hari kamera iri kubakurura.
whatever's in there is probably what we've been looking for, so I don't know about y'all, but I'm going.
Njye sinzi ibyanjye ariko ngiye kwinjiramo.
We're interns.
We turi abastajeri tubyibuke. Fata chance. Ni abastajeri. Kubera abastajeri barabibyimbira kuko umustajeri yabaga yaratojwe. Ni porogaramu babakoreye kubita ngo n'abastajeri ku myaka 3 5 bari barabatangiye kubigisha kwica. Kuri 2 bagombaga kuba bamaze kwica abantu byibura nk'icumi ku myaka 2. Abana babazanye ari iminja baza kubatoza kwica. Urabona ariko bana bazana.
We're still being watched.
Turacyari kurebwa.
got an idea.
Mfite igitekerezo.
Do it.
Bikore. Bikore. Taza ku mashina kanda kana kariye. Yeah. CIA barayihakinga. Barayihakinze batangira abari abantu batangira kubona ibi.
I don't think I'll ever get bored of doing that.
Urebe.
According to this old architect's drawing, there should be a staircase.
Hano hantu nkurikije igishushanyo bisa nkaho hakagombye kuba hari esikariye. Yeah.
There.
Yo!
Gisiriya. Yo. Urebe.
Suit up.
Gira. Yeah. Urebe. Bana bakuraho imbunda zabo. Kuraho igikoresho. Binjiye ntabwo bahi tuto bana bashyiramo ibi filime izano rugera rwica harimo inzira imanuka hasi. Shiran. Yeah.
Hey,
we iba hakurya. Kanda hano shyiramo ya mibare bari bafite babonye ku rupapuro, bagishyiramo imibare hano arafunguka. Bakwiye kuvugurura systeme z'umutekano wabo kuko biroroshye kubinjirira.
Here we go.
Yeah. Lift bagiyemo yarabamanuye. Manura hasi. Aba baba hakinze bari kubona ikigoryi cy'ibatuka. Hari ahantu hamwe bashobora kuba bagiye. Byo kureba n'icyo bari gushaka. Dore aho binjiye.
They're not trying to keep anybody out.
Yeah, no. It's designed to keep people in.
Bisa nk'abaturutse hanze uyu muryango utababuza kwinjira. Ahubwo barimo imbere nibo bashaka ko badasohoka. Uze no muryango uri hanze ushobora gukingura ukinjira. Bitakugoye ahubwo barimo imbere bisa nkaho badashaka ko basohoka. Bagezemo hano. Bana b'abajene bakiri bato. Bagezemo hano babona amakana. Nagari kamwe ni twinshi. Harimo ubwana bwinshi. Yagasani. Ubwana buto. Bwambaye imyeru.
Interns.
Nabo ni interns, nabo naba stajeri we. Nabo ubwana bari kwigisha kwica. Bino bigoryi. Fata abana bato bikabigisha kwica. Bikabagira imashini zica. Ku buryo ku myaka ibiri ubwo ntago mwakabaye mwajana. Biryango ita iyiboroka. Hari ikinga. Bana bakuramo udutambaro. Muri film.
Nap time.
Nap time. Yotsi tivana amasaha yo gusinzira. Amasaha yo kuryama. Bebe, mufunga iminwa yanyu nimuhumeka ibi bintu. Bahise bakubitamo ibyotsi. Menya baje mu masaha yo gusinzira we. Kubisa ibyotsi, basanze mu twana duto turi kwigishwa kwica abantu. Katurore. Yeah. Yeah. Baby. Akunino. Yeah. Wa mwotsi wasinzirizaga icyaje cyaragukuruye kirawukurura. Yeah. Afanda arinjira Dix.
That was
taravuga. Bundi nyuma harutasinziriye. Hariho biriya bintu bidakoraho. Kumbe hano warofashe utuntu. Hano hari wigize umuganga umwe ujye batekera ibyayi bibasinziriza burundu, afite n'imiti ikangura abantu. Afite abana n'abatekinisi. Bana barabyuka. Director of Operations muri CIA.
I didn't know that was part of your training.
Ntago nzi ko ibintu byo babigutoje kudasinzirizwa n'imiti. Wayigishaga yambwiye ko bino bintu bishobora kuzamfasha umunsi umwe. Babimutoje afite imyaka 5.
You breathe.
Cyo gihe baramubwira ngo nuhumeka urapfa. Bano bana batubwiye ngo bari ku rwego rwo kuba yamara iminota 10 atarahumeka. Muri bande.
We're CIA.
Turi CIA.
Kimwe
namba. Ntago turi CIA nawe ntago uri CIA.
Company doesn't know what you're doing.
Company nta nubwize ibyo uri gukora kuri gutoza abana.
No.
Yego CIA ntago izi ko ntoza utwana duto.
Making this country a safer place.
Ariko igihugu ndashaka kukigira kiza kurushaho.
There's always that one person.
Iteka hari umuntu mu mateka.
These things that others don't.
Ubona ibintu abandi batabona.
New breed of intern.
Twaremye ubwoko bushya bw'aba intern.
Program. Unlike you lot, this batch is next.
Gusa batandukanye namwe bano bana bo barenze mwe. Bo tubarerera hamwe mwe mu gihe babatoza gumwe ku giti cye.
Of your strengths and none of your.
Intege nke zanyu nazo bafite ariko bafite imbaraga nyinshi zanyu n'umurengera.
But we've taken his idea.
Watangije kino gitekerezo Brian.
And they will protect.
Yari umuhanga. Bano bana turi kubakora kugira ngo bazarinde igihugu. Bahise binjira. Imbunda zabo. Bibe filime. bagabo bafata imbunda ku buryo ubona ko ari abaprofesiyoneri isigaye n'ukuri kuri sasu bakakwica.
No, I'm not just handing over the asset.
Umva ntago ngiye nabareka ngo mugende barana abana.
You of all people should know.
Ntago ari abana kandi ibyo mwaka bimubizi. Barana abastajeri ntago ari abana. Warafangiwe. Ntago ari abana n'abastajeri.
Be smart.
Gira ubwenge. Bagabo dore uburyo bafashemo imbunda ariko urabona n'amaboko yombi ku buryo ari mu cyico. Rimwe mama mama yageze tega mugenzi we. Bagabo barabangutse. CIA fire bano bose nirwanya batojwe n'ikigo kimwe. Urebe basubiranyemo. Umugabo itamanuka tamanuka yaramukurikira gake gake ntago ugenda. Ibi filime iyo man fire kona yizanye ariko dodododo fire swat barinjira. Urebe turi imbunda mwana arabumva arababara ugiye gushyiraho magazine nyuma yabo. Fire 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 mama we filime kona yizanye ariko ku gasobanuro films.com do we na mama urango ni mama we
Mom.
Urakoze mama wibivuga. Ntago bibafasheho bose.
Where's Dick?
Dick ari hehe? Dick ari hehe?
Where's Nelson?
Nelson ahubwo ari hehe yamukurikiye? Nelson yakurikiye nde? Dick. Uyu mugabo ngo yitwa nde?
Dick. Drop it.
Shira hasi Dick. Shira imbunda hasi. Namwe ni mubyara abana ariko mujye muyita tuno tuzina twiza.
You miss me?
Waronkumbuye.
Were you just gonna shoot me now?
Ntabwo uri bunda se? Aya ntabwo nkurasa. Buriya kurasa umuntu abapfuye yihuse. Umuntu ugomba kumukubita igipfunzo ukamukurira iryinyo ukabiserebura ukamukuramo ijisho ukabiserebura. Buriya umurashamo mwihutishirije urupfu. Uyu ishaka kumwiba ngo gikoreye imbunda. Bamwirukanye muri CIA bamuziza gukubita ikigoryi ngumire ngo kubitire rimwe wanyirukanishije mu kazi. Yegegege bose baratojwe bose nibamane ku CIA bose indwanyi. Gusa sibura bigiye hamwe ngo banganye ubwenge. Mvugana n'umwana akaba wa mbere ukaba wanyu bose naba CIA ariko imikubitire ntago yagira ku rwego rumwe. Bose basobanura filime imwe ariko ntago baba babyumva kimwe cyangwa babivuge kimwe. Kuya amenyo. Baby,
you just love to kill me, wouldn't you?
Buryo no kuyica reka mukurira iryinyo ryapfunse ubona ukabona.
I'd rather you run prison.
Genda bona wo kwica wajya gufungwa muri gereza ukagifungwa imyaka yose unekereza. Umuntu nk'uyu bamufunga imyaka myinshi yipanga akaza gafata abana bato utwe. Abana batakajya kubagira imashini CIA tamuhaye uburenganzira.
I guess you were right.
Ahari wafuze ukuri.
I did want to kill you.
Nashakaga kukwica nuko narindi kubeshya mvuga ngo bagufunge. Akora umuntu abashaka kugufunga ariko akavuga ati yarwanyije inzego gato nkakwereka. Arwanyije inzego. Ararangiye.
Agent Dalton.
Agent Dalton.
Putting you in charge to clean this mess.
Kwishyira umuyobozi ugomba gukemura bino bibazo.
But our program is kept under our supervision.
Aba bana tujye dora tubacunze.
Where we go from here. Right?
Rebe hagiye gukurikira iki?
Want Nelson to work with me.
Ndashaka gukorana na Nelson.
If he wants to.
Nimba ariko abishaka. Hari uwishimira se kujya guteka amandazi ku muhanda yakaba yicaye muri CIA.
I want her by my side every step of the way.
Kandi umukobwa wanjye tugomba gukorana kugira ngo twite ku bandi bana.
No one will understand them.
Kuko nta wundi muntu wakumva bano bana kumurusha. Umukobwa wanjye tugomba gukorana.
Yeah.
Cyane. Cyane.
When I agree to this, I have some demands of my own.
Kandi nanjye mfite ibindi byo kubasaba.
So they're gonna live normal.
Mbere na mbere bano bana bagomba kuba ubuzima busanzwe.
Parties and
bakajya bagira ibirori bakabiserebura bakagira televiziyo nta kubakubita.
I have no problem with birthday parties or TV. In fact, let them go out on dates.
But we can save this.
Bakajya banasohokana bakajya guteretana.
Fine.
Nta kibazo.
Do we have a deal?
Turumvikanye. bagiye gukorana.
Yeah.
Great.
Sawa, bagiye kubaho nk'abandi bantu bose basanzwe.
She reports into you, and you report.
Uyu mukobwa azajya kuri potinga nawe mbera Paul.
Yes, sir.
Sibyo yego nyakubahwa.
Done. Okay.
Akazi kaba karangiye kandi CIA ntago ari ngombwa ngo bakuzanira amakontaro ubwo akazi kaba karangiye kari. Kamafaranga yose baba yabona.
We got a lot of years to make up for.
Ntago byabishora rimwe ariko turacyafite imyaka myinshi yo kugira ngo tugaruze imyaka yose tutabanye.
Give me a chance.
Nta mahirwe nongere nkwiyereke ko naba mama. Sawa gake gake.
With these kids we do together.
Ibyo tuzajya dukorana nge nawe nabo bazajya baba bahari. Niba bishaka ariko.
I'd like that.
Byaba ari sawa. Mbega babonye mama na papa.
What do we do next?
Tugiye kurikizaho iki rero?
I mean, I'm sure there's a position for.
Cheka mwese ari umwanya wanyu w'akazi.
After all, we're.
Ibuke ko twese turabastajeri, turi famille. Yeah.
Everybody interns on three.
Bose bashyize hano.
No.
Bose ni abastajeri.
It'd be a cute moment though.
Yeah.
I think we should.
Kano kanya ni keza.
Moment.
Bwarakeye.
You did well, Phantom.
Phantom wakoze neza. Phantom ninde?
I knew we could rely on you.
Nari mbizi ko dukwiye kukwishingikirizaho.
Some things are a long time in the.
Hari ikintu tumaze igihe kinini turi gutegura.
You showed great patience.
Gusa wagaragaje kwihangana.
I tell you that your country is
Reka ngubwire ko igihugu cyawe gitewe ishema nawe. Mama we!
longer, but we
Wa mugore ni umugambanyi. Mama wa mwana.
time. I just want to say
Ndashaka kubwira yuko
I wish you much success.
ndakwifuriza intsinzi muri uwo mwanya CIA bagushyizemo. Ni kuriya bakora. Bano bagabo niko bakora, bano bitwa ngo ni FSB cyangwa bano barusiya. Bafata umwana bakamushyira muri Amerika agakora ari umunyamerika agakurira muri CIA. Ku buryo nka nyuma y'imyaka 30 bazaza kumubwira ngo tangira ukora inshingano zawe noneho tunekere. Urebe. Mama w'umwana CIA yizeye ngo yite kuri bari abastajeri. Niwe mugambanyi mukuru. Nyagasani. Niwe mugambanyi mukuru. Avayo. Kurana n'abarusiya. Yaje hano. Niwe wagambanaga kiriya gihe cyose. N'uyu aracyumva? Bavuga ikirusiya ntago nyumva. Bivuze ngo barakorana. Mama n'umwana ni abarusiya pire. Bikaba gusubiza inyuma imyaka 20 uko byagenze rero.
No, Americansi.
Azebe. Uyu mugore barakwereka. Bamuhaye gahunda imyaka 20 ishize.
Best that you speak English.
Ni byiza ko watangira kuvuga icyongereza.
Rational that
uzajya uvuga ikirusiya.
We will take care of you.
Tuzakwitaho n'umukobwa utwite.
Roll her in the.
Umwana we navuga uzashaka ukuntu azinjira akajyanwa muri bari abastajeri. Umugore yagiye muri Amerika twite abyara umwana nk'uruhinja amwohereza mu bastajeri.
Take her to the.
Uyu mwana mumujyane muri stage muzine wamwizaniye. Umwana baramutegereje. Byose byari imipangu y'abarusiya. Nagakino bakinnye Nyagasani. Umwana akiri uruhinja bamwinjije mu bastajeri. Umwana uziga kumva uburibwe. Amarira naye abanyantege nke. Usigaranye iminota 2. Umwana baramutuje kugira ngo nakura azabimaneye kuneka abanyamerika nekera baki. Mama we yabaga hari hafi aho. Umwana wanjye barabanye kuva kera. Bakavuga ikirusiya. Mama yamubaye hafi burya bwose we. Uzajya utuma bumva uburibwe ufite. Ntukajye ubereka icyo utekereza cyangwa icyo wiyumvamo. Ujye wibuka ibyo nakubwiye byose. Urakomeye. Urakomeye Nyagasani.
And I promise that I will always find a way to.
Kandi teka nzajya nshaka uburyo bwo kugira ngo nkugereho. Nyagasani. Mama.
Well done, daughter.
Mwana wanjye umubyeyi yabyaye umwana bamaneko ku myaka 5 kuzamuka ari maneko. Bamutoza kuba imashini yica. Turashize. Ibi byose byarakagambane. Byari byarapanzwe. Uyu mwana ni maneko. Urusiya tayari yamaze kugera muri CIA. Bagiye kukunekera Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Mama n'umwana mama. Bashke. Iyo bari kumwe bivugira ikirusiya gusa. Bivuze ngo Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika zigushije ishano kuko mama n'umwana tayari bamaneko babo bamaze kubageramo. ndetse bahawe amaposite n'imyanya yo hejuru. Utazacikwa n'igice cya kabiri, CIA izabavumbura. Ushaka kureba igice cya kabiri, kugura abonema ku gasobanuyefilms.com, wishyura 7,000 byonyine ku kwezi n'ibihumbi 4 ku cyumweru. Ciao ciao.